In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Pebble smartwatch strap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. These straps on most Pebble watches can be easily changed. So what you have to do is examine which type of watch you have and remove the strap accordingly. This will be done on these areas here, so you want to focus on looking on these ends where they connect to the watch. So first, if you notice that you have this sort of configuration, then you will have to move this pin into the other position so it slides across this hole. And as long as you slide it to the other side, this metal rod or pin will come right off and you will be able to remove the strap altogether. So you can use any sort of precision tool that you have. It doesn't need to be a specific one designed for this purpose, as long as you are able to slide this pin to remove the metal rod. The metal rod is inserted into two holes on each side. So when you unlatch this pin, it is going to remove this metal rod and you will be able to take the strap out. It is simple and reliable. It might take a little bit of force, and like I said before, any tool that you can insert into this hole should work to push that pin out of position. Now, if you have this sort of watch that doesn't have the pins, then this will be done differently. You will have to lodge a tool into this hole here, so this slot, and once it is inserted, you will try to pry it towards you. Doing this will also remove the metal rod that is inserted between the strap and the actual watch, like this. And once you insert it here and you take it off, you will be able to remove it from this spot. This one might take a little bit of force and finesse, but both are going to be doable. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics the other day, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, just like in this video, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.